This is Bikram Chaudhary, JavaScript trainer from Basin Technologies. Today we will learn some concepts about error handling in JavaScript. Okay, so before diving into this concept error handling in JavaScript, we need to know first what is the error. So the error is nothing but it's a object, or you can tell like it's in layman terms. It's like error is nothing but the common mistakes what the developers will do, like any kind of syntax error or logical errors, or you can tell like if you can tell like runtime error and compile time errors or parsing time errors. Okay, so the compile time or parsing time errors, it will come when if there is any syntax kind of errors, and the runtime errors will come when there is like any errors because of the logic or else mathematical errors, those kind of things. So if you categorize this both in error, that will become like compile time error, okay, compile time error, and second is runtime error. Okay, fine. Now you will ask me like how compile time errors occurs. So let me show you some examples of compile time errors. So it will tell like window dot print something, you will give like this, and you will try to execute. So this is called as a syntax error. Okay, so I will make it little large. So, okay, so this is like syntax error. So in this, what you are doing, you need to provide this is the correct syntax, right? This is the correct syntax. So how to get rid of this? So this is one kind of syntax error. This is compile time error. Consider that runtime. What is runtime error? If you will see this window dot print. Okay, so as per syntax wise it's fine. As per syntax wise it's fine, but print me is not a function present in window, so that's why it will give her the runtime error. Fine. Another object thing like window dot click. Okay, so click is not the function, but still it will give an error because of click is not registered into the window. So consider like some mathematical errors like 12 divided by 0 if you will do. So infinity. So infinity is not the value, right? So that's why it will give the error there. Fine. Something like if you will do eval, something you will do this one undefined. Something like if you will do this one, then this kind of for eval also if you will give some expressions, it will give you a is not defined. So it will give you this is the eval error. So how to resolve this error and how to catch these errors? So in JavaScript we have a concept like try catch block, that I'll show you here. That is try catch block. So here you will write try, then catch. Okay, so here you will write your business logic or any kind of statements. Okay, so if any state you will get any errors in these statements, so it will come to this catch block, and this catch block, this error is nothing but it's an object where you will have the message. Okay, so you can tell like I'll show you here console.log error dot message. Okay, so this is the kind of thing. So let's execute this one once. Try. Okay, so here what I will do, let's take the syntax error only for now, or let's take some logical errors or runtime errors. So window dot click. Okay, window dot click. Syntax wise it's correct, but as the function is not present in the window object, so it will give error. So console dot log error. Fine. If I run this one, see, I got the message here. Fine. So this, like this, we can handle these errors. So if you will do this one, the problem, if see why this try catch block came, because if in JavaScript, if any error occurs, then the process or execution dies. Why? Because JavaScript is a single thread application, a single thread language, you can tell, where all processes will be running at single thread only. All execution, processes, compile, everything. Fine. So that's why if any error comes, so the thread becomes what? Thread in thread it will become error in thread, so that it will not pass or it will not execute any other kind of processes. Fine. So that's why we need to handle the errors in JavaScript. So you can handle like this, so that no errors comes. If you want to redirect, consider that if any error comes, I have a function xyz. Okay, in xyz I have console.log some error occurred. I want to print this statement. Okay, I want to print this statement here. So what I can do, if I'll get any error, so in place of doing this, I can pass this to some other function, right? See, I got some error occurred. Fine. So like this you can handle also the errors. So this is one kind of, you can tell, this is one kind of example. Some other kind of examples I'll give, something like you can tell reference errors. Okay, so reference errors, console.log, or something like I am doing var x equal to y plus 1. If you will see this one, there is no definition for y. Okay, so if you will see, some error occur, but how you will see the error message? We'll change this one, console.log. Okay, console.log. See, okay, sorry. Okay, so in place of sending here, console.log. Okay, see, reference error, y is not defined. So what you can do, if y is not defined, if you got any error and y is not defined, so what you will do? You will define here the value of y, where y equal to 5. Okay, then again you will do where x equal to y plus 1. Fine. Then console.log x. See, now if I'll execute this, there is no, I am not getting any errors or anything. Okay, but if I'll remove this, okay, why this is not coming? Because already this y is defined. Okay, so let's refresh this, so you will get to know. Let's refresh this. So now if you see, y is not defined. Let's refresh this again. So once, see, this var, if you will use var, right, that is the problem. So it will register to window variable. So let's use let. Okay, let's use let. So what we will do, if any error comes, then we will call xyz method. Okay, or so like here what we will do, let y equal what y equal to 10, then let or let not let, I'll just use console.log. Okay, y plus 1. Okay, see, I got 11. So I got the error, but still I can able to execute further. Okay, consider that if I, after this one, after try and catch, either it is true or execution passed or failed, in any case, consider that you want to do some cleanup activity. Okay, so there what you can do, finally, you can use finally. Okay, so what you will do here, so let is there, right? So let's this one we will do here. Okay, see here, now again I got y is not here. Why? Because I have used let. Let means it is scope specific. Okay, so let's use its var. See, now it will come in here. So I will mention here inside finally block. Fine. If I do this, say inside finally block nan, it's something is coming, but it didn't give any error because already let is defined. So I need to refresh this one again. Okay, so if you want to get the actual value, so if I do now, okay, var y equal to 10 console log this one. Okay, undefined. Why undefined? Because it's there inside. Okay, so why this thing doesn't comes? Because see, if I will use let, it will give me error. Okay, it will give me error. Y is not defined. But if you will do, I'll refresh. If you will use var, so why this is giving undefined? Because in JavaScript we have a concept like hosting. Any variable you will define with var, it will go to the top and it will declare. So how how it will be behaving, I'll show you in code. So how this will be behaving, it's like if you write this one, right? So what will happen, this var y, it will go at the top, the value will be undefined. Okay, and here it will be y equal to 10. Because of that, as y is already present, so no error came here, and it executed the try block. Okay, it executed the try block. So if you see now here, what I'll do console dot log x. Okay, x. So it will give some nan or something. It will give. Okay, but see, you got nan and y is undefined. So after try block, it came to finally. Why it didn't go to catch block? Because here y is there. Y is already had defined. This is already declared. It's already declared here, and you are using after that, and the value you are assigning in the catch block. Okay, so this is some kind of hosting. This is called hosting concept in JavaScript. Fine, but you can, as our session is for error handling, so we can tell like this is in this way you can handle errors. Okay, so you can do something like this also. Parse int okay y. So now it came parse int y undefined, right? So it will come like undefined not a number will come, and +1 it's not a number. So if any error comes, okay, if any error comes, then you can use like this. So let's make it a let again. So let means a scope specific. You will get the error. You didn't get the error because I need to refresh it. Already y is present at the global scope. If I do this, see, I got the error. Reference y is not defined, and y is not defined. It came in finally block. It came. So what you can do again? What you need, if you have this one, so you can have nested try catch block. Okay, you can have nested try catch block like here again like this. So you have try, right? So you can have try. Can have try, and you can have catch. So console dot log error inside finally. Okay, see, I got the thing, error inside finally. Again I handle. So you can write nested try catch block also. Fine. So this is some of the concept regarding error handling. So you can have multiple errors. You can tell like that is eval error. Okay, eval error. So eval, you can have eval error. Okay, you can have reference error. Reference error we saw now. Reference error. Fine. Reference error. Then you can tell like range error. Okay, range error you can tell. Others like other can like you can get other things in Google or something else. Like if you go to Google, you can get these things. Okay. So I hope like you have got some basic concept about what is try catch block and how you can handle these errors. Any error comes, how you can handle. Okay. And if any, that is like syntax error, how you will handle, and runtime error, how you will handle. Those things I think you have a like good now you can understand. I hope you can understand what I explained about this. So hope you to see in next video. Thanks.